Now I'm going to show you another very, very important command in case maybe you want to scale your replica set. For instance, we've got 5 pods here, maybe or 5 replica sets, for example. We might want to scale it to 10. There is something very important to understand about this very command. I'm going to explain that to you now. So you use the scale command, rs, then the name of the replica set. The name of the replica set, then we have to replicas. We want to increase replicas. We want to increase our replicas to 10. We already have 5, but we want them to be 10. So one important thing about this command is that you don't just increase, for instance, if you wanted 10 to add 5. If you did that, it will remain 5. You will still have 5 replica sets. So because you want to increase from 5 to 10, so what you do is you scale to 10. Now we can hit enter. Now it says that our replica set has been scaled. So if we try to get our replica sets again, let's see. As you can see now, we've got 10 replicas.